Spending too much time calculating your students' grades so they know what their running total is before the final? Let me show you how to create a calculated grade item that will tally up their scores, and they will know exactly what they have before the big exam. Here is my gradebook setup currently. Let's take a look at what this student would see. Under the Manage Grades tab, click on New as shown and Create Item. Select Calculated. Calculated is going to tally any grade items we select. I create the name, then I will select what items will this calculation include. I am not including the final, as this is what students' score is before the final. If you have any items that exceed the 100%, you have to select Can Exceed as well. Next, I will also create a final calculated item. Here is my pre-final and my final grade calculations. Let's now see what a student would see. If a student does not submit some activity, you'll have to enter in a 0, so the pre-final tally is accurate. Once I enter the student's final mark, notice the change for the calculated final grade. I hope you have enjoyed an easy way to let students see their grade calculations running total. Thanks for watching.